Hello, Mike from Side Order Catering here. I've done another video today. I've done scrambled eggs today, so it just goes through the technique of getting your eggs cooked right. It's really easy. I'm going to do a bit of a series on eggs. So I did an omelette before, which is on the channel, and I'm just going to go through the sort of different cooks of eggs. Just as I think it will help people. Like I said before, this channel is about helping people with the basics. It's not the advanced stuff, unless you want to see some more of that, but we're going to stick with the basics at the minute. So nice scrambled eggs. Show you how to cook them nice and fluffy. The important thing is to not get too much heat into your pan, so I'll talk you through it, but just keep taking the pan on and off the heat, just regulate that, keep stirring, and it's nice and easy. Here we go, I'll show you how to do it now. Okay, so here we go then for the scrambled egg. I've got 3 eggs in the pan there, with a good knob of butter. I'm just going to turn my hob on. You don't want it too hot, so I'm using induction here, which makes it a bit easier. But what you want to do is just cook it quite slowly. If you're on electric or gas, you might need to just keep taking the pan on and off the heat. But because it's induction, I can just turn it down and it'll be cool sort of straight away. So I won't do that, but I'll just let you know as we go where I would take it off the heat. So yeah, so nice soft spatula, you get all in the corners of the pan here. So just breaking up the eggs, the butter's going to start to melt through the eggs here as it heats up. And what you want to do is just keep the eggs moving. That's really important. So for scrambled egg, it's like really important just to keep it moving, keep it mixing. You can see there it's just starting to cook on the bottom of the pan already. So I'm just going to knock it down a notch, the pan, just as it starts to cook. And just keep moving and moving and moving. So like I say, if you're on gas, I would just turn the gas on sort of medium high. Same with electric, medium high, and then just sort of as it sort of starts to cook like this, just take it off, stir it, then bring it back on, and just keep moving like that until it starts to get sort of scrambled. So it's not going to take long. It's going to take, I don't know, another 2 minutes or so, maybe not as long as that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sort of speed through this while I'm stirring, and then I'll come back when it's time for the next stage. There we go, so we've got it down even more. You see now it's just that sort of scrambled egg consistency. In fact, I'm going to turn the hob off now, so there's lots of heat in that pan now. That's going to be fine. You can see it's just come up nice, fluffy, nice consistency scrambled egg. What I need to do now, I've got some creme fraiche here to add, which is what I like to put in. You can put cream in, you can put yoghurt in, it's up to you really, but I like the creme fraiche. And it's just going to melt through. What that's going to do is going to take some of the heat out of the eggs. It's going to stop them cooking so quick. And obviously it's going to change the flavour of them and give them that nice creamy flavour. You can see there it's still just melting through. And that is perfect. So just a little pinch of salt now. A bit of salt there. And that's it. So you can see there, nice scrambled egg, good consistency. So like I say, just keep it moving, keep it working. And it comes together really quickly. So just keep an eye on the heat, keep taking it on and off the heat, and there you go. Hope that helps. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments.